Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, wash the cucumber and lemon, then slice thinly so they release flavor. Once done, place the fruit and veg into a pitcher and fill to 1 L with cold water. Make sure to gently muddle a few slices to release oils and juice. This boosts flavor without adding calories. You're creating an infused water base that you'll sip through the day. Don't wait for perfection. Begin drinking within 30-60 minutes while you prepare meals and move on to the next steps. Once the mixture has steeped for 2-4 hours in the fridge, you'll notice a fresh, light flavor. Drinkability is key. You should sip 250-500 ml before meals to support hydration and help reduce appetite, not as a substitute for food. Make sure to replace high-calorie drinks with this infusion during the day and combine it with a balanced calorie plan plus 30-45 minutes of movement daily. If you want more flavor, add mint or a thin ginger slice and cycle recipes weekly to avoid taste fatigue. To finish each day, strain out spent slices and refill the pitcher. Keep it refrigerated and use within 48 hours. You should track your intake and weight weekly so you can adjust portions and activity to meet goals. Remember, cucumber lemon infusion supports hydration and appetite control. It's not a miracle. Combine it with calorie control and exercise. If you experience bloating or excess acidity, reduce lemon to 1/2 or steep for just 30-60 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.